So if you want to send a video to your friend and you don't want to have the audio, you don't have audio on that video, this tutorial is for you, because I'll show you how to remove sound on video on your iPhone device. And if you're new to this YouTube channel, HowToBrowser, please consider subscribing for more tutorials. I'll really appreciate that. And now let's jump right into the video. So the first thing that you need to do is to go to your camera, and I'll go there to the library, and here select a video that you would like to remove the sound of that video. So here just tap on edit. I'd like to remove the sound of this video, and it's very simple. Now just tap on this icon, this sound icon, and now as you can see is off. The sound is off. Now just save the video, just say the audio from down there, and it's like preparing video. Now this video doesn't have any sound, so that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate you, and I'll see you guys now in the next video. Take care.